Every second you scroll, you're losing your ability to feel deeply. Okay, so real talk. Your brain is cooked, like fully cooked, medium well, no pink left. You opened 17 tabs, scrolled for 40 minutes, watched 4 videos simultaneously, and now you are sitting here wondering why you cannot finish a single thought without your brain just going static. That is screen fatigue, and it is eating you alive right now. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your attention is not broken. It is just buried under 600 gigabytes of garbage your eyes fed your brain today. Every notification, every scroll, every autoplay video rewired your nervous system to expect constant stimulation. And now silence feels uncomfortable. Now thinking feels hard. Now existing feels like too much. So let me give you the 90-second reset that actually works. And no, it is not just closing your eyes and breathing. That is too easy, and your brain will just start replaying that embarrassing thing you said in 2019 instead. Step 1, look away from every single screen, phone down, laptop closed, television off. If you're watching this later, pause it right now and come back. I will wait. Actually, no, I will not wait because this is a video, but you get the point. Step 2, pick one object in the room, any object. A cup, a plant, your cat judging you, a wall, doesn't matter. Now stare at it like it personally owes you money. Focus on every detail, the texture, the color variations, the way light hits it. You're forcing your brain out of digital mode and back into the physical world. This takes about 30 seconds, and your brain will resist it hard because your dopamine receptors are absolutely feral right now. Step 3, take 5 slow breaths, not the deep yoga breaths where you perform wellness for an invisible audience. Just slow, in through the nose, out through the mouth. 5 times. Count them. If you lose count, start over. Your brain is going to wander. That is fine. That is the point. Catch it wandering, bring it back. That catching and returning is literally rewiring your attention span in real time. Step 4, shake your hands, like actually shake them out like you're trying to flick water off them. This sounds absurd. It is also neuroscience. Physical movement breaks the tension your body holds when it has been locked in screen posture for hours. Your shoulders were up near your ears this whole time, by the way. Lower them. You are welcome. That is it. That is the reset. 90 seconds, do it every hour you spend on screens, and your brain will stop feeling like wet cardboard by 3 in the afternoon. Now here's where I talk about the physical side of this, because screen fatigue is not just mental. Your eyes are genuinely suffering. The blue light exposure, the constant focal length your eyes hold staring at a flat screen, the dryness, the tension headaches that creep up behind your eyes like a villain in a horror movie. That is real physical damage accumulating every single day. And look, the 90-second reset helps the mental side, but your eyes need actual physical support. There is a product called blue light blocking glasses, and before you roll your eyes, know these are not the fake aesthetic ones. There are legitimate amber lens blue light blocking glasses on Amazon that filter the specific wavelengths that suppress your melatonin, trigger eye strain, and destroy your ability to fall asleep after screen time. The link is in the description. Actual ones that work, not the clear lens placebo glasses that do approximately nothing. Pair the glasses with the 90-second reset, and you are attacking screen fatigue from both directions. Mental reset from the inside, eye protection from the outside. Your future self who can actually focus on something for longer than 11 seconds will be genuinely grateful. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Your attention span is the most valuable thing you own. More than your phone, more than your laptop, more than anything you have ever purchased. And you are letting apps and autoplay and infinite scroll slowly erode it for free. You are literally giving it away. The 90-second reset is free. Do it every hour. The blue light glasses are in the description. Get them. Your brain was not designed for this much screen. Give it a fighting chance. Now close this video. Seriously. Go do the reset. Right now. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your routines.